Welcome to 5-Minute Tool Reviews, where I review a tool that I purchased with my own money in 5 minutes or less. Today I am reviewing my Kreg Shelf Pin Jig. I've owned this for well over a year. I don't remember the exact time I bought it. Used it a lot, still use it a lot, and will continue to use a lot. I do it for all of my cabinetry, bookcases, especially upper cabinets. And I like it because it creates an easy way to index shelving, and that way my customers get adjustable shelving that's easy to use, that's easy to find. These shelf pins on Amazon, I order them by the thousand on Amazon, and I'll put the ones that I prefer to use with the affiliate link for this in the description. This guy is very inexpensive. It's extremely simple. There's nothing overly complex about this. It's molded plastic, 1/4-inch drill bit metal sleeve. Comes with a 1/4-inch wood drill bit. Mine's getting a little on the dull side. They do sell replacements for these that are easy to find. They also do a 5mm shelf pin with this. It's very easy to index. You can see that it has this little lip that clicks on and off, and you can put it on either side so you can offset the shelf pins where you need them. So it just easily clicks in so you can index it where you need it, and then you can take it off. So if you're doing an existing cabinet and it has a face frame right here, you can easily just butt it up to that or butt it to the floor to index. And you can see that I started up from the bottom, and what I did to start there is, one, I had my track on here, and I indexed it flush with the bottom, and then drilled my first hole. And then it comes with this little indexing pin, so that as you put it right there, it indexes, drill, 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 and then you pull it up, and it's a little tight, and then you can just find your next hole, index it, and it keeps it perfectly aligned. Interesting thing that Kreg did is they did include some screw holes right here, so that you can put 2 or 3 of these things together. I haven't done that. I've thought about it, but I think that would just make it a little cumbersome, and a lot of stuff I do is custom on-site work, not major fabrication in the shop. This is for a Murphy bed I'm doing 2 of these bookcases, so having more of these would just make it hard to use and all that. Starbuck, come here. For 20-30 bucks, this is what I'd call an essential tool if you're a DIYer, small professional woodworker like myself, who just needs to make accurate shelf pins occasionally, not every day. This thing's great. It's essential. One thing I do like about it is Kreg has really thought through, okay, these are the tools and jigs you're going to use with this. These are the bits that are included in here. So we're just going to give you a place to put them in the jig itself. That way when I grab this jig and go, it has everything I need to accurately drill my shelf pins. As far as what I don't like about it, there's really not a lot to say. I mean, this is one of those tools that it is what it is. Is it absolutely perfect? No. Does it do exactly what you bought it to do? Yes. Does it meet the expectations that anyone could reasonably have for the price you pay for it? Yes. And so with that, all that said, I don't really have any complaints, and yes, overall I would buy this again, and I've debated having 2 just to speed things up, and maybe one day I will. But yeah, it's your Kreg Shelf Pin Jig, 1/4-inch, and I'll give it the thumbs up from Dailey Woodworks. So as always, if you own this tool, if you bought it, hated it, let me know in the comments. If you bought it, love it, use it all the time, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments. And we will see you on the next 5-minute tool review. Thank you very much. Please like and share and subscribe.